Hi guys, today's gonna be Billy Bunny. I'm playing Build a Boat for Treasure, and it says hi. Yeah, I just did this off camera, but yeah, I'm really scared. I really want to sit down, so I'm gonna sit down. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What do I do? I don't know. I can't even get up now. If I get up, I'm gonna fall in the water and die. Uh, 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 um, yeah. So today we're playing that, like I said, and hopefully we can make it to the end at least once. This is not what I wanted. We're gonna move. We're gonna move and Ow! That's like this. Wait, am I even on? No, I'm not on anything anymore. Dude, hurry up! Oh my gosh, those are horrible. I no, I'm. What about the pepperfish? Oh no, the pepperfish. I forgot the pepperfish was a level. Oh no, this is just great. Mm. See ya. Yeah, that's completely useless. Yeah, I got a completely useless item. So I'm just gonna try and get some gold and yeah, that's the way it. Okay, let's go. I'm chilling. I'm just gonna be speechless for a long time. Okay, yeah, yeah. It is not the best station I wanted. I want this to be over here. So, don't. I'm gonna go over there. I think I died on this level. I'm pretty sure I died on this level. And now I'll see I'm the other one. Okay, this is gonna be a little bit, yeah. A little thing, but yeah, let's do it. I'm trying to do anything. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. If I jump 2 times, I would be dead. Like, literally. I'm not even kidding. Holidays. Yeah, I'm done. I